Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we have our very first unboxing, which is an NG Models Gulfstream G550 belonging to the Polish Air Force. This is really cool because I don't typically collect I do collect 1-200, but I just don't have the space. But once I saw this, I could not pass on it. Now, this is actually my first ever NG Models, so I have no idea what to expect, but I have very high expectations. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, there we go. Sorry, I'm filming this with one hand. Hold on. Alright, well, here it is. Almost out of the box. Just gotta take off this little plastic layer. Okay. And here she is, the NG Models Gulfstream G550. Oh, this is a very impressive looking airplane. Very nicely modeled. It's not as big as I thought it was gonna be, which is probably a good thing. There's like the little spikes there. Nice. Very detailed model. I've heard lots of great things about NG Models. This certainly does not disappoint. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely beautiful. And if you guys are wondering how much I paid for this model, I got it from the seller Waffle Collectibles on eBay. And I paid about $50, including shipping, for this beautiful model, which is a steal because I've seen them going for about $90 on other websites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.